Hello everybody. If you want to read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short story 360, A Journey of Self-Discovery. Advanced. In the quiet town of Meadowbrook, life moved at a gentle, unhurried pace. Situated at the confluence of rolling hills and meandering streams, it was a place where the rustle of the wind in the trees and the songs of birds provided a constant, soothing soundtrack to daily life. This tranquil setting was the hometown of Eleanor Whitmore, a woman of 35 who had always felt a gnawing restlessness beneath the surface of her calm exterior. Eleanor was an accomplished violinist, having spent years mastering the intricate dances of notes and rhythms. She had performed in renowned concert halls, drawing accolades for her passionate and precise performances. Yet, despite her success, Eleanor often felt as though she were merely going through the motions, her true self somehow hidden behind the music she loved. One crisp autumn morning, Eleanor received an unexpected letter. It was from her grandmother, a woman of 80 who still possessed a sharp mind and an indomitable spirit. The letter was brief but clear. "Dearest Eleanor, come visit me in Cornwall. I have something important to share with you. Love, Gran." Intrigued and feeling a sense of urgency, Eleanor packed her bags and set off for the rugged coastline of Cornwall. The journey by train provided her with ample time to reflect on her life and the choices she had made. She wondered what her grandmother, a woman known for her wisdom and eccentricity, could possibly have to reveal to her. Upon arriving at her grandmother's quaint cottage, Eleanor was greeted with open arms and the warmth of a roaring fire. Her grandmother, ever the picture of vitality, wasted no time in sharing the purpose of Eleanor's visit. "Eleanor, my dear, I have watched you grow into a talented and successful woman, but I sense a lingering unease within you, a feeling that something is missing. I have something that might help you find what you seek," her grandmother said, producing an old leather-bound journal from a dusty bookshelf. "This journal belonged to your great-grandfather, a man who lived a life full of adventure and self-discovery. He traveled the world, seeking out new experiences and learning about different cultures. I believe his story might inspire you to embark on your own journey of self-discovery." Eleanor spent the next several days immersed in her great-grandfather's journal. She read about his travels to far-flung places, his encounters with diverse people, and the profound insights he gained along the way. Each page seemed to resonate with her own desire for something more, something beyond the confines of her structured life. Inspired by her great-grandfather's adventures, Eleanor made a bold decision. She would take a sabbatical from her music career and embark on her own journey of self-discovery. She sold her apartment, stored her belongings, and set out with only a backpack and her violin. Her travels took her to the bustling streets of Tokyo, where she marveled at the seamless blend of tradition and modernity. She wandered through the ancient temples of Kyoto, finding solace in the serene gardens and intricate architecture. In India, she participated in vibrant festivals, immersing herself in the rich tapestry of colours, sounds, and flavours. In the remote villages of Africa, Eleanor volunteered at a music school, teaching children to play the violin and experiencing the joy of sharing her passion with others. The smiles on their faces and the eagerness in their eyes reminded her of the transformative power of music. Throughout her journey, Eleanor kept a journal of her own, documenting her experiences, thoughts, and emotions. She discovered that the world was vast and filled with beauty, wonder, and endless opportunities for growth. She learned to embrace uncertainty, to find comfort in the unfamiliar, and to appreciate the richness of life's tapestry. When Eleanor finally returned to Meadowbrook, she was a changed woman. Her restlessness had given way to a sense of peace and fulfillment. She resumed her music career with a newfound passion, infusing her performances with the depth and an emotion she had discovered on her journey. Eleanor's story serves as a reminder that sometimes the path to self-discovery requires stepping out of one's comfort zone and embracing the unknown. It is a journey that can lead to profound personal growth and a deeper understanding of oneself and the world. Vocabulary notes. Gnawing, adjective. Definition, persistently worrying or distressing. Example, Eleanor felt a gnawing restlessness beneath the surface of her calm exterior. Similar words, nagging, incessant, persistent. Tranquil, adjective. Definition, free from disturbance, calm. Example, situated at the confluence of rolling hills and meandering streams, it was a place where the rustle of the wind in the trees and the songs of birds provided a constant, soothing soundtrack to daily life. Similar words, peaceful, serene, placid. Accolades, noun. Definition, expressions of praise or admiration. Example, she had performed in renowned concert halls, drawing accolades for her passionate and precise performances. Similar words, praise, commendations, honours. Eccentricity, noun. Definition, the quality of being unconventional or slightly strange. Example, her grandmother, a woman known for her wisdom and eccentricity, could possibly have to reveal to her. Similar words, oddness, peculiarity, uniqueness. Indomitable, adjective. Definition, impossible to subdue or defeat. Example, her grandmother, ever the picture of vitality, wasted no time in sharing the purpose of Eleanor's visit. Similar words, unconquerable, invincible, steadfast. Immersed, verb. Definition, involve oneself deeply in a particular activity or interest. Example, Eleanor spent the next several days immersed in her great-grandfather's journal. Similar words, absorbed, engrossed, engaged. Profound, adjective. Definition, very great or intense, having deep insight or understanding. Example, each page seemed to resonate with her own desire for something more, something beyond the confines of her structured life. Similar words, deep, intense, insightful. Sabbatical, noun. Definition, a period of paid leave granted to a university teacher or other worker for study or travel, traditionally every 7th year. Example, she would take a sabbatical from her music career and embark on her own journey of self-discovery. Similar words, leave, break, hiatus. Solace, noun. Definition, comfort or consolation in a time of distress or sadness. Example, she wandered through the ancient temples of Kyoto, finding solace in the serene gardens and intricate architecture. Similar words, comfort, consolation, relief. Embrace, verb. Definition, accept or support willingly and enthusiastically. Example, she learned to embrace uncertainty, to find comfort in the unfamiliar, and to appreciate the richness of life's tapestry. Similar words, accept, welcome, adopt. Story written by Copilot AI. To read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you.